Hello students. So now our next topic is the in the unit 4 is the IoT environmental monitoring. Okay. So when we have the environmental monitoring, then how can we discuss it in the IoT case with the IoT. And here you can see that there is a chart in this on different type of the uh, environmental monitoring things are available. So I will read it. It is little blur, so I will read it. So there is a this is IoT's environmental monitoring. One is the smart sensor, another is IP data logger, and one is the digital water control system, cloud based telemetry, smart cities are available, monitoring networks are available, data anywhere anytime available. So this type of environmental monitoring is required for the user. Now let's discuss about the another important aspect of the environmental monitoring, which is the waste management. So here the thing is that the problem of the waste management is very crucial issue in a big cities due to two reasons. First is the cost of the service, and the second is the problem of the storage of the accumulation of the garbage. So okay, so you can see that in order to save and make use of the inexpensive environmental advantage, a deeper penetration of the information and communication technology solution in the field will be required. So here you can see that if there is a complete waste box, and this waste box is basically when it is increasing, the waste accumulation is increasing. So when it reaches up to the 95%, then it is informed to the waste management service providers. Then waste management service provider go to the particular point, and then they basically they hit the they take this they just make it empty, and then they send it to the some garbage palace, uh, some garbage place where it need to be sent. Okay, so that is a waste management cycle. Another important is the vehicle tracking system, because there are so many vehicles which are need to be tracked by some mechanism, so that each vehicle can be tracked. And you can see in this text that what is written over here. So the vehicle tracking facilities make use of the road sensors and intelligent display system that helps the driver to find the best path for the parking in the city. The benefits of all the services services are many, such as faster the car takes to locate a parking slot, means lesser CO emission from the car, and lesser traffic problems will be available, and ultimately happier citizen. And this indirectly basically uh, lower down the environmental disadvantage effects. So there are cloud servers, and some of the things need to be managed using the for the environmental monitoring. For example, visualization, some all the data from the environment will be logged to the cloud server, and these all cloud servers can be accessed by, all the data can be accessed by the applications and visualization apps. Here the monitoring technology currently is used for the air and the water safety, mainly use the manual labor along with some advanced instruments and lab processing techniques. Through IoT systems, the needs for the manual labor is reduced. As a result, frequent sampling is allowed, and increasing the range of the monitoring and sampling, allowing sophisticated on-site testing, and provides responses to the detection system. This prevents any further communication contamination of the water bodies and other natural resources and related disasters. So extreme weather is also one of the important thing which is need to be find in the environmental monitoring. So powerful advanced systems are currently used for the weather forecasting allow deep monitoring, but they suffer from using the broad instruments such as the radar and the satellites. These instruments are that are used for the small details lack of the accurate targeting potential for the smart technology. So now the through the new IoT advances and the IoT systems, it promises more data than fine grain, better flexibility and accuracy. Effective weather forecasting procedures requires a high details of the data as well as a flexibility in the instruments right type range and deployment, and this results in the earliest responses to prevent loss of the life and property through early detection. So these are some of the things which are important when we are going to the environmental monitoring: air quality, temperature, humidity monitoring of the gases, for example carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and all, and wind speed. So in my next lecture I will tell you about the energy harvest energy. Thank you for this lecture.